Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. This appeal has been filed assailing the impugned judgment and final order dated 1st August 2018 passed by the High Court of Delhi at New Delhi in FAO OS number 210 of 2017 in and by which the division bench of the High Court has set aside the order of the learned single judge and allowed the appeal filed by respondent number 1 herein by holding that the passport of respondent number 1 defendant number 4 ought not to have been ordered to be detained and further directed return of the passport of respondent number 1 stop. Brief facts which led to filing of this appeal are as follows. Stop. The appellant filed a civil suit being CSOS number 1134 of 2008 before the High Court seeking declaration, permanent injunction and possession of the suit property being the first and second floor of the residential house constructed upon plot number 68 Friends Colony, West New Delhi. Stop. Alternatively, appellant has sought the partition of the suit property. Stop. Case of the appellant is that in 1954 late Niyamat Sahni acquired plot number 68 Friends Colony, West New Delhi, measuring 3000 square yards from Friends Colony Cooperative Housing Building Society Limited, wherein she constructed a main building having a ground floor and first floor. Stop. Niyamat Sahni herself and with her son Shyam Sahni, appellant, and his family were residing in the ground floor. Stop. Soon after the demise of Niyamat Sahni, the appellant came to know that Sarabjit Prakash and respondent number 1 have executed documents purporting to be sale deeds and other documents in their favor or in favor of other persons qua first floor and second floor and terrace in the residential building constructed upon 68 Friends Colony, West New Delhi, belonging to mother of the appellant. The appellant has filed a civil suit seeking declaration, possession and permanent injunction and also for partition in CSOS number 1134 of 2008, which is pending at the stage of cross-examination of the defendant's witnesses. Stop. Respondent number 1 resisted the suit contending that first, respondent's mother Usha Prakash took physical possession of the first floor and terrace and the second floor in 1974 and the same was let out. Stop. On 13 August 1984, Niyamat Sahni made a registered will in Hindi dividing equal shares between her son appellant Shyam Sahni and her daughter Usha Prakash. Stop. On 23rd December 1992, Niyamat Sahni also made another registered will in English which was identical to her previous will made in 1984. Stop. It is stated that on 6 December 1999 an irrevocable memorandum of family settlement was signed between the appellant and Usha Prakash, mother of respondent number 1, which was confirmed by Niyamat Sahni, thus dividing 50% of the undivided share in the plot of land between her son and daughter. Stop. According to respondent number 1, as per settlement, ground floor of the suit property was given to the appellant with the entire parking, garages and servant quarters on the left side of the property, while the first floor and also subsequent floors with entire parking and front entrance on the right side of the suit property were given to Usha Prakash, mother of respondent number 1. Stop. According to respondent number 1, the family settlement dated 6 December 1999 is an irrevocable family settlement between the appellant and Usha Prakash and was also acted upon dividing the suit property by metes and bounds. Stop. Respondent number 1 has further stated that Niyamat Sahni had executed a general power of attorney on 3rd January 2002 and pursuant to the said power of attorney, Usha Prakash sold 3 flats on the second floor to separate parties. Stop.